This is the technology section. Okay, science and technology section. Have you seen the syllabus? Okay, first tell me, this is the prelims oriented lectures. So first tell me one thing, who all have to appear in prelims, in this coming prelims? Okay, others next year, is it? Okay, okay. So those who have to appear, okay. Actually, this lecture of prelims is designed for the same, okay. But those who are supposed to appear by next year, or even I think next to next year, is it also? Okay. So for them, it is the case that you have again to attend the session of technology in detail, okay, that is in the regular batches, okay. That will be both for prelims and mains, have to again attend the same. And in that session, we will be discussing about the mains and all, okay, about the mains answer writing and all, because the thing is that the answer writing of this section is very much different. It is not like other sections, okay, and is nowadays very much important, as somewhere around 15 to 16 question even comes in prelims, and around 6 to 7 question in paper third. Paper third you might be knowing is the title is technology, economic development, biodiversity and all, okay. So the thing is that, okay, one more thing, who all are from science background, that is who all are having science as a subject in graduation? Okay. Others are not having science in graduation. Okay, see. Others are, and who all are having science in till standard 12th? Okay, okay. See, the thing is that in the present pattern that was changed by UPSC for prelims in 2011 and for mains in 2013, they have included the technology section, and almost all the topics, subtopics of science and technology is there in the present syllabus, okay. Even the thing which is not a matter even up to BTech, something that is matter of MTech, PhD, that is of nanotechnology, higher things related to robotic technology, these all are included in the syllabus, okay. They are asking even the questions on the same lines, okay. They had asked almost all the basic questions, so even they had reached to such an extent that they are asking even the questions are very technical in nature. Like just I am giving 1 to 2, 3 questions that seems to be very general but is having very technicalities. Like you all have seen VOLT in your mobile phones, okay, LT, okay. Can you say what is LT or VOLT? Can you just define what is VOLT? Is the full form, okay. I am just asking the definition. Okay, or now you are getting the thing. Thing seems to be very general, okay. Every one of you just have this thing in your mobile phones, okay. Seems to be very general, but they are asking, they have asked the same thing in the prelims question. That too have just asked to you what is VOLT, what is LT. They have not just asked up to what. They asked the technicalities related to both LT and VOLT, and the statement that was there in the multiple options of 1 and 2, it was in the pattern 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 and none, okay. The pattern was such that they have very intelligently made both the statements wrong. So you can understand one thing, they are asking the technical things, at the same time seems to be so much analytical that you have to judge whether it is correct or incorrect, and both the statement were incorrect. Just in the last prelims, they have asked about VLC technology, okay. We will discuss all these things, but what idea I want to give you, that in the prelims, they have reached to such an extent that they are asking even the technical questions. They also know that there are many who are appearing, okay, are not having background of science, but they have still included the technology section, because today you can understand in each and every aspect of life, it is the technology which is the most important guiding factor. You can understand better, okay. And in the transition of India as it from developing to developed, this is the most important thing that has to be there, okay. So this point is clear, okay. So the thing is that presently in both prelims and mains, they have reached to such a technicalities Okay. So first I'm explaining you about the approaches for both prelims and mains. Okay. Then I'll restrict myself to the prelims discussion. Okay. The rest discussion we will have in detail in the main section. This point is clear. Okay. First I'm giving you the syllabus. Okay. Write the syllabus. I'm just giving you the entire syllabus of the technology that is mentioned in the UPSC syllabus. Okay. Then I'll explain about the syllabus first, about both prelims and mains. Okay. Then we'll move over to the discussion. Okay. So write about the syllabus. First topic, write space technology. Space technology. Second topic, energy. Energy. Divide the topic energy into two subtopics. Okay, write in energy two subtopics. First, write nuclear energy and research. Nuclear energy and research. Oblique nuclear technology. In the same nuclear technology. And write the second one, NCE. NCE. Non-conventional energy sources. Non-conventional energy sources. Oblique alternative sources of energy. Oblique alternative sources of energy. Next, third topic, defense technology. Defense technology. Fourth topic, ICT, information and communication technology. ICT, information and communication technology. Next, nanotechnology. Next, robotics. Okay, you have written 6 topics now. Okay, next, write biotechnology. Seventh one, biotechnology. Next, patent. Write in bracket intellectual property right. Okay, intellectual property right, IPR. Patent in bracket IPR, that is intellectual property rights. And write the last topic. I have placed all the theoretical sections in this last topic. So write Government of India's policy in science and technology. Government of India's policy in science and technology. One more right topic. Achievements of Indians in science and technology. Achievement of Indians in science and technology. Okay. Now, this is the standard syllabus of technology. Okay. First, I am giving you the important topics regarding prelims. Okay. So, just have a tick mark in the entire syllabus. Important topics for prelims. Okay. First tick mark is space technology. Space technology. Then nuclear technology, that is nuclear energy and research. Okay. Put double tick mark. Okay. Double tick marks means most important, single tick marks less important. Okay. Then place a single tick mark to NCE. Double tick mark to space technology and nuclear technology. Single tick mark to NCE. Okay. Then double tick mark to defense technology. ICT. Next to defense technology, ICT. Again double tick mark. Okay. Nanotechnology and robotics, just place a single tick mark. These both are mains based topic. Okay. And biotechnology, double tick mark. Okay. Rest all patent and last topic is exclusively mains topic. Okay. So now you can understand one thing. 4 and 5 topics are such which is having almost 90% of the prelims question. Okay. The thing must be clear in your mind that what is the question area. If you analyze the entire syllabus of UPSC, it is maximum 60 to 65% of the syllabus that consists of more than 90% of the question. So, as the competition is very intense, so you are supposed to have very specific to those topics which are having very much importance. Okay. Now, I am just giving you one idea regarding general science as well. See, in the present pattern, in the prelims, okay, it is both general science and science and technology. Okay. And in the mains pattern, it is only science and technology. This point is clear, that is general science is not there in the main syllabus. You are not supposed to prepare any subjective questions like somewhat like explain cell division. Okay, it was the case before 2013. They have changed the pattern. They have removed general science from the main syllabus. This point is very clear. That is in the mains, entire 9 topics which I have given to you is the syllabus. This point is clear. Now, in the prelims, in the entire topics, I have given you the most important. At the same time, general science is a matter of NCERT standard 6 to 10. Okay, all of you have studied till 10th. Okay, but see the way UPSC is asking the question from general science in prelims. Okay, general science is physics, chemistry, and biology. They are not asking any direct questions since 2011 in the present pattern to till date from physics and chemistry. It means it is not the case that they are not asking physics and chemistry question. They are asking the basic questions of general science from physics and chemistry, but along with technology question. For example, all of you have heard about something called Chandrayaan 2. We will see in detail. Okay, Chandrayaan 2 is something like a space mission. What it is all about, we will see in detail. Okay, in a question of Chandrayaan 2, okay, the way of asking the question in prelims, I am just giving you one idea of the question. The present pattern is something like this. They used to take something from the contemporary aspect. You can understand. Technology which is at present is having much more meaning than the technology which was in 1990s, which was in 2000. This is the nature of the technology. Okay, so UPSC experts takes the question from contemporary issues. Contemporary issues, why this word I am using? Because not to get confused with you like something like current. It seems like science and technology questions are coming from current. It is not the case. Okay, they are asking the thing. They have asked VLC technology just in the last prelims. It is a matter of 2015, but is a very new technology, matter of research that is even in the present day. This is clear. So they used to take the things which is in the contemporary aspect. Chandrayaan 2 is a matter something of 2019. Okay. Now this is the present pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ABC. Is it visible? Nahi visible hai. Okay. अब ठीक है. अच्छा अभी इधर विजिबल नहीं है. अच्छा अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Okay. See. So this is the present pattern. See the way they are framing this question in something like, in one you will get some basic, very basic thing. Chandrayaan 2 is something related to space technology. These general things you know. Space technology is something, application of physics. Very simple, you can understand. It is not application of biology or chemistry, application of physics. So a very simple definition. Okay, even from standard 6 or 7 NCERTs. Say for example like geostationary orbit. You can understand. Matter of basic definition. Okay. So in the lectures, I will be discussing these basics. But the thing is that this is the way they are asking the thing. So just before the prelims, in the year you are supposed to appear, before 1 to 2 months of prelims, just have a study of NCERT 6 to 10. Okay, just to refresh, all of you have studied till 10. Okay, study to be on the lines of basic definitions only. Clear? Okay, and NCERT is a matter of basic definition and basic knowledge. Okay, so this point is clear. This is the approach regarding physics and chemistry. You will not get any direct question from physics and chemistry. Okay. For example, I am taking one example of chemistry. If they have to ask you about, they have asked this thing ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. They will ask just a basic definition of enrichment. Now you can understand. Basic definition of enrichment from a standard 7 or 8 chemistry topic of NCERT. But their focus is to ask the technological thing. In one they can ask you the basics. Okay. This is the way physics and chemistry are covered in the prelims question. This is clear? Now, I am just completing this, the way of asking the question. In 2 and 3, technical details related to the thing that is being asked. Clear? 4th, a general information. See the design of the question. General information to check those, say for example, someone who is having PhD in space sciences, okay, they know entire thing about something called Chandrayaan 2. But if they are not updated with some general ideas that mainly comes in the newspaper. India became 4th country. India became the first country in the very first attempt. These are what? Not a technical detail. These are the thing which is a general understanding must be there to every citizen even. So for you it is very important because you are preparing. You are getting this thing, okay? That is, you can understand one thing, the UPSC experts just in one question have checked your entire basics, entire technical knowledge, and they had also checked you that whether you are studying newspaper or some ready-made materials. You are getting the thing, okay? This is the nature of the question that comes in prelims, okay? As I have said, around 15 to 18 question comes in prelims from this section. Almost all question are having this nature. They have changed the pattern only to ask the questions in multiple manner so that in one question they can check your entire knowledge. This point is clear? Now, the same is designed in 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 and all this you can understand. Okay, now. In biology, same way, they are asking biology questions along with some questions of biotechnology. But 1 or 2 questions every year they are asking from biology. Okay, 1 to 2 questions. That too, as I have said, NCERT is a matter of basic definition. So they are asking even the basic definition. And mainly they are asking from the structure of the cell. Something like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So the case is, you will get 1 to 2 questions from biology directly. It does not mean that only 1 to 2 questions. From biology, they used to ask even 3 to 4 questions, but the other 1 to 2 questions will be with the biotechnology part of science and technology. Okay. The same pattern. They are also following in biotechnology. For example, have you heard about 3-parent baby technology? Any one of you? 3-parent baby technology? Very important for this year prelims. Okay. So this is a technology related to defects and disorders of mitochondria. Okay. Biotechnology have successfully developed a technology that is also called as MRT, mitochondrial replacement therapy, for the default mitochondria. Okay. Now you can understand. It is a matter of 2015 and 16 because UK became the first country who legalized the same. Okay. So you can understand. They will take this from 2015 to 16. Okay. They will simply consider 3-parent baby technology. First definition would be from mitochondria. Is a matter of NCERT. This point is clear. Okay. So I think pattern regarding prelims is very clear to you. That is 15 to 18 question you will be getting from this. No direct question from physics and chemistry. Biology 1 to direct question along with the questions of technology. This point is clear. Any doubt in this regarding pattern? Now, regarding mains, 6 to 7 question used to come, and the question or something. I'm just giving you some question ideas, like analyze India's space technology in the socio-economic development of a country. Okay, analyze nanotechnology for the development of socio-economic aspects of a developing country like India. You are getting this thing? How biotechnology can address issues of health related present concern, you can understand after COVID-19 and all. You are getting this point? That is, you will not get direct question like explain biotechnology. Okay, that is why they change the pattern. And analysis, analyze, discuss, critically analyze makes the question again a challenging one. Okay, so first thing is this, and second thing, the idea of answer writing is very much different as it is a technical paper. Okay, so the entire thing relating to this I'll be discussing in the main section. This point is clear. Now I'm restricting my discussion to prelims. Okay, now one important thing regarding books and all, you can understand one thing. When it comes to matter of technology, I am not referring any book to you because books are having limitation in terms of such subjects in UPSC syllabus. Okay, because you can understand, say for example, very recent launch of ISRO, something called Amazonia satellite. All of you might have heard. Okay, these are the things they are asking in this way in prelims. Okay, no book or no publisher is updating the book. They can't even on these lines. Okay, so there is a limitation of books of technology. Okay, so in this case I am just referring most important, and as the thing is very conceptual in nature, so the most important is the lectures. Okay, you have to very much focus on the lectures, concepts and all. If as many of you are from non-science background, so if there will be doubt, you can ask afterwards. Okay, I'll be here for a couple of minutes. Okay, you can ask about your doubts. The thing is that you have to very clear in the concepts, you can understand, then you will have a position that you can write about something like analyze space technology for social. It is your analysis. They are not asking ready-made things. This is clear. Thing is changing also in every mains. Okay. Second thing, in the prelim section, I'll be restricting myself to the objectivity of the syllabus, but in the mains, along with the lectures, I used to dictate the notes as well. Okay, but the thing is that the most important thing that is required about this section is to update. You can understand. For example, say by the month we'll have the discussion of mains. After 1 or 2, 3 months, say for example ISRO launch a mission. Okay, it means you are supposed to update my notes as well. Okay, because my notes in the market seems to again every year needs to updation. It is not like other conventional subjects, like once notes is there you can use for many years. This is the case. Okay, so I'm just referring class lectures, notes, and only one source for this section. Okay, that is the newspapers. Newspaper is the best source. You know why? Because this is the source of UPSC experts as well in framing the question. They are not referring the ready-made materials of markets in framing the question. They are referring these sources so that they can test your newspaper understanding by asking some general information. This point is clear. So I am not referring any book. At maximum you can refer the PDFs for a little bit better understanding of the thing. Okay, but one thing I am referring to have regular reading with you, that is the newspaper. Thing will be more clear after you will understand about topics. What is space technology, what is biotechnology and all. So this point is clear regarding pattern, syllabus and all. Any doubt in this? Okay, afterwards also you can start. So I am starting